Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited. We're going to be painting some lavender in a bouquet, and this has been highly requested. So I'm very excited about it, and I'm going to keep things really easy for you. So here we go. I'm starting with a green, and I already had some green on my palette, but I'm just mixing in a little bit of yellow to warm up that green. And I'm starting with the green because it is going to be in a bouquet. And the lavender kind of comes off the top of these long stems. So I'm just going to start by adding in several long stems. And I'm using very light pressure to try and get a fine line. And I'm just kind of crisscrossing so that everything kind of comes together at this center point and then flares back out again. Okay, and now I'm going to go in and start adding in the lavender pieces. And then we'll go back and add more stems and flowers if we need to. So I've mixed this purple with French ultramarine and quinacridone rose. And starting at where the stem is, about, I don't know, just a little bit onto the stem itself, I'm just going to press my brush down, and I'm really using the side of my brush to create these little petals. And it's almost like I'm creating a V on either side of the stem and then continuing that shape upward. Okay, now that we've got these in place, I can see a couple of spots where I want to add a few more. So I'm just going to go back to my green, and I'm actually going to add a little bit more yellow so that it's slightly different from the greens I've already got going on. Okay, and then just to finish things off, I am going to use my black paint and just paint a little string around the outside here with a little bow. If you wanted this more full, obviously it's not very dense because I want all of these lavenders to be shown. But you could fill in with more lavender so there's not as much white space and then add more here in the background. But I like how this looks right here, so that's where I'm going to stop. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching. Bye!